In this video, we are going to see that if you are not getting the TikTok notifications, they're not showing on your Android phone application, here's how you can easily solve that. First of all, just swipe up and search for the settings and open that up. Now, once we are in the settings, we need to go in app management. Here it is. And then we check the app list. Now, this option might be a little bit different than I'm showing you right now, depending on the phone you are using. And from here, we search for TikTok. So here's TikTok. Next to it is this arrow sign. We click on that. And from here, we will choose notifications. If it is toggled off, just like so, we just need to enable this to allow all the notifications, and you can customize all the individual things as well. Reminder intensity can be adjusted as well. So if you don't want too much reminders on any updates, you can set it to low. But that is how you basically fix the TikTok notifications not showing on the Android phone whenever someone sends you something, messages you something, uploads a new video. That is how you get the notifications. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.